Hey guys, it's Steve with Futures and Charts, and it's Friday. And there's the market's still trying to figure out what's going to happen with the oil market, with what happened in Venezuela. So we had a pretty good dip, and now it's sort of people are kind of figuring out that it might take some time for this Venezuelan oil to get back online where it should be. I heard a statistic that at in 1975, the Venezuelan oil companies were kicking out, which were probably our companies, I'm sure, were kicking out 4 million barrels a day, and they're down to 600,000. So with Maduro in there and trying to run things their own way, things just really fell apart. So there obviously is a good chance that a lot of that oil is going to hit the market in sometime in the future here, not too distant future, which could definitely, put a cap on where prices will be for oil and diesel. So, but anyway, let's go see what the charts are saying and have a look at that. So,
All right, guys. So this is what the diesel chart looks like. Um, we were in this channel going up for quite a while, actually, and then of course we broke through that here just back in the middle of December, and which ran into another trend line we had going down here, which I've talked to you about before. Well, we did break through that. We closed below it here 4 days ago, and we had another down day. But then since then, it has popped back up. So it was inside this channel. We've had a gap up today. And so it's up almost 4 cents right now. And obviously, it's going to run into some resistance here. Which might just keep us in this area here trading sideways. But because I think it's going to take a while for the market to digest what all is going to happen with the Venezuelan crude, and how other countries are going to react to the loss of crude oil coming to their countries, such as China, and from the Venezuelan fields. Even though, like I said earlier, their production rate has gone way down from where it used to be. But as you know, we have stopped a couple of ships from heading to China, and with some, oil they were trying to sneak over there before we caught them. So it's pretty interesting times, folks. But anyway, if you were looking at getting some, this might have been a good time to pick it up, because we have popped back up above that trend line. So if we get back down into this, I would say the 208 range, you might think about possibly getting some, because we may not break through this trend line again. It might just stay in this area here, trade sideways, which is about a 20-cent move, here. So 20 cents is quite a bit. So if you can pick it up at the bottom of the trend line, obviously that's a better deal for you. So let's just have a look at those. So we're up $1.30 on crude oil and almost 4 cents on the February diesel. So anyway, guys, that's what I got for you here. And it's a Friday, so we'll have to see what happens over the weekend. And we'll be back with you on Monday. So thanks for watching Futures and Charts.